Are you searching for the best hunting scope? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best hunting scopes in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. SPINA Optics HD 6-24x50 FFP Tactical First Focal Plane Riflescope. SPINA 6-24x50 First Focal Plane FFP Riflescope. Matte difference between main body and turrets. Makes the scope more tactical. 30mm monotube with exact weight, about 700 grams, 24.7 odds. Fully multi-coated, reaches 85 to 87% light transmission. Long eye relief with wide field of view and edge-to-edge image. Etched glass tactical reticle that can take Lapua Magnum 338 recoil. 1/8 MOA, low profile turret adjustment with Re-Zero feature. The box includes by default, sight, lens flip cover, lens cleaning cloth, kill fash, parallax adjustment wheel, sunshade.